Good morning class, and today this video is for class 9th, chapter number 2, polynomials. Okay, so first what is polynomial. Polynomial is a word which is made with the two words, that is first word is poly and second word is nomials. Okay, so in Latin the meaning of poly means many and nomial means term. So when an expression has more than one term, so that expression is called polynomials. Okay, in this we will study about monomial, binomial, trinomial, which you have studied in 8th class also. So I hope so you have that previous knowledge, what is monomial, what is binomial, what is trinomial. On the basis of that we will see the first question. Here question says which is in one variable and which is not. Okay, which polynomials, there are 1 2 3 4 example I have taken from your exercise. So among 4 example we have to find out which polynomial is having one variable and which polynomial having more than one variable. Before going to explain this question, I would like to remind you again, variable means alphabetical letter. Okay, variable means alphabetical letter. It should be A B C D E F up to X Y Z. Okay, variable means the value of this variable term is always changing. In different question the value of variable is always changing, it should not be exact. As you have studied that the value of 7 is always 7, anywhere it is written 7 it will be counted. If there is 100 written, then it will be counted as 100. So 100 7 4 3 1 2 0, that this is the fixed value, this cannot be changed in any country, in any place, in any expression. So this is called constant value. And variable value means in some questions you can see the value of x is 1, in another question the value of x is 2, some were -1, some were -5. So it is depending on the nature of the question. So in that case variable is always keep changing. So in this question we will study first that which expression is having only one variable. You can see question number 1, there is this is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. You can see 7 is constant because the value of 7 is always fixed anywhere, as I told, and 3 is also counting number, so this is also fixed, and 4 is also counting number. So 4 3 and 7, this is fixed, so it is called constant value. Yes, understood. Now you can see there is x and x, no problem, power is different. Here it is x square and here it is only x, so power is not considered here. Only we have to see variables, so it is only x coming. So this polynomial is having one variable because only x as variable coming. Understood? You can see another example, 3 root t plus t root 2. So root 2 and 3 is constant, it is fixed, so this is constant value, but here t is variable. Understood? And here root 2 is given, so one variable, it is also one variable, but this is not a polynomial because in polynomial t or any variable which is present in the expression, in the question, t must not have fractional power, or the variable must not have negative power. If we have any variable has fractional power or any variable has negative power, so that is not counted as polynomial. Clear? Understood? You can see third, which is given here, fourth, you can see also y plus 2 upon y. Here you can see where y is given as denominator. So when we take y into numerator part, it should be written in this way, y plus 2 y power minus 1. Here you can see y has one power. Okay, only one variable, you can see y only one variable, so it is only one variable, but this is not polynomial. Reason, y has one power. Okay, this is whole number because whole number start from 0 0 1 2 3 4, any number which we, but here y has one power. Okay, but here y has minus one power, so minus 1 is not the whole number, it is integer. So I would like to tell you that you have not to be considered over only one variable, but you have to consider over the polynomial also. Polynomial means the power should be increasing or decreasing order. Okay, but the power should be whole number. Okay, power should be whole number, not power should not have any fraction value, or power should not have any negative value. Understood? So though third and fourth question of your exercise, though they are having only one variable, but it is not counted as the polynomial. Understood? Now see question number 5. You can see x has 10 power, 10 is whole number, y has 3 power, 3 is also whole number, t is having 50 power, 50 is also whole number. But you can see x, y and t, 3 different variables are coming. So here in this expression 3 variables are coming. So this is also not the polynomial in one variable. Understood? In this way, I hope so 1 or 2 questions are left, which you can try to do with the help of this 1 to 5 explanation. Okay, now see question number 2. Question number 2, find the coefficient of x square in the following expression. So I have taken only 2 examples. Rest 2 that is given in your exercise, you can do it with the help of this lecture. Okay, so here coefficient means close value which is just given aside to that polynomial. Okay, just for understanding, if we try to understand, coefficient means neighbor, neighbor means padosi. Okay, which is close to your house, they are called coefficient in mathematics, and in English neighbor. Okay, so x square, here it is x square, what is close here? There is no number. So if there is no number, we will assume it as 1. So here coefficient of x square in first question is 1. Understood? In second question you can see x square is here. So what is what is the neighbor of x square? Pi by 2. So pi by 2 is the answer. Understood? So coefficient means neighbor which is close to that variable or that constant. So here we have to find out x square coefficient. So x square close value is, if not given, we understood as 1. If given, that value is the answer. So here x square, there is nothing, no number given, so we assume at 1. So x square coefficient is 1. Here you can say x square close value is 5 by 2. So pi by 2 is the answer. Understood? Okay, now we will move forward to fourth question. Third is for you, try to solve. Okay, fourth question. Okay, question number 4th. Now you can see fourth question, write degrees of the given polynomial. I have taken 1, 2, 3 questions of your exercises to first. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 questions are there, and we have to find out the degrees of the given polynomial. So before going to say about this question, I would like to tell you what is degree. Degree means highest power. Degree means highest power. Here you see what is variable x in all cases. In question number 1, x, so one variable. Okay, so here x has no power, it means x is having 1 power. Here x is having 2 power. Here x is having 3 power. So highest power is 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3. Clear? In second question, 5t minus root 7. Root 7 has no variable, so it is fully constant. But 5 has one variable, that is t. And you can see t has no power, so we assume as power 1. So here this expression has maximum power or highest power, that is 1. Degree of this polynomial is 1. In third question you can see 3 is written. In this expression there is no variable, so in that case the power is 0. When no variable means 0 power. जब कोई वेरिएबल ही नहीं तो कोई पावर भी नहीं. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज, क्लासीफाई एज लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल, क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल and cubic polynomial. By name it is very clear that we have been given 4, 5, 6, 7 expressions, and we have to choose which one is linear polynomial, which one is quadratic polynomial, and which one is cubic polynomial. So very simple, if variable has only one power, maximum power must be 1, then that expression is called linear polynomial. Here you see 1 plus x has only 1 as power, so here 1 plus x is called linear polynomial. Understood? Now see, x minus x cube. Here you see x has 1 power and x has 3 power, so highest power is 3, so it is called cubic polynomial. Now in first question you see x square plus x, so here x has 1 power and here x has 2 power, so maximum power is 2, so it is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, write down these questions in your notes. Please make notes also and try to solve as much question as possible in from your book. Okay, till then, thank you.